Turkey has once again achieved a significant milestone in its long journey toward independence in space technology. Through a coordinated national effort, the country has demonstrated that its space ambitions are no longer just a vision, but a reality that is being realized. This historic milestone was achieved by the domestic technology company DeltaV, which successfully launched a two-stage hybrid rocket to an altitude exceeding 200 kilometers. This achievement officially placed the rocket beyond the Kármán limit, an imaginary line internationally recognized as the boundary between Earth's atmosphere and outer space. This achievement is not only an altitude record, but also symbolizes Turkey's entry into the exclusive club of countries capable of independently developing and testing space-grade rocket systems. More importantly, the entire development process was carried out entirely using domestic technology. This launch marks the highest altitude ever achieved by a hybrid rocket engine in the history of Turkish space technology. This represents a significant leap in national capabilities in the fields of propulsion and launch systems. The hybrid rocket technology used combines solid fuel and liquid oxidizer, an approach gaining global interest due to its balance between safety, efficiency, and operational costs. Compared to fully liquid or fully solid fuel rockets, the hybrid system presents lower risks in storage and operation. Furthermore, it allows for more flexible thrust control during flight. DeltaV's success in mastering this technology demonstrates a high level of engineering maturity. It also demonstrates Turkey's ability to develop advanced technological solutions without relying on foreign suppliers. This two-stage hybrid rocket is designed not only to reach extreme altitudes, but also to test various critical subsystems in near-space environments. Under the coordination of the Turkish Defense Industries Directorate, the project involves close collaboration between government agencies, the National Space Agency, the defense industry, and leading academic institutions. This cross-sector synergy was a key factor in the test's success, and every component, from the structural design to the flight control system, was developed through an integrated national approach. During the flight test, the DeltaVRocket successfully performed stage separation, a critical phase that determines the success of a multi-stage mission. This process proceeded according to plan without any anomalies. The guidance and navigation systems were also thoroughly tested, ensuring the rocket could maintain its designated trajectory even under extreme conditions. Furthermore, the directional control system demonstrated optimal performance, enabling stability and precise maneuvering during the ascent phase. Thermal management was another crucial aspect tested, given the extreme temperatures the rocket experiences as it traverses the atmosphere and approaches space. The rocket was also equipped with a sophisticated data collection system, which successfully recorded vital information related to pressure, temperature, acceleration, and engine performance. According to official reports, all subsystems functioned perfectly throughout the mission, and no structural failures or disruptions were observed in the electronic systems. This complete success is a strong indicator that the developed technology has reached a high level of readiness for more complex and operational missions. The president of the Turkish defense industry, Haluk Gorgan, stated that this achievement represents a crucial step towards realizing Turkey's national space program. The program encompasses a range of strategic objectives, including national satellite launch capabilities, the construction of a spaceport, and future lunar exploration missions. With the successful test of the DeltaVRocket, the technological foundation for these missions is now firmly established, strengthening Turkey's position as a rising technological power regionally and globally. Amidst the growing global space competition, the ability to develop indigenous rocket systems is a valuable strategic asset. Independence in space also means independence in communications, navigation, remote sensing, and national defense. For Turkey, investing in the space sector is not only a matter of prestige, but also of national security and long-term economic competitiveness. The success of DeltaV reflects a major transformation in Turkey's technology ecosystem, from mere users to creators of high-level technology. The universities and research institutions involved in the project also gain valuable experience that will accelerate the development of the next generation of engineers and scientists. This strengthens the national knowledge chain and ensures sustainable innovation in the space sector. This launch also sends a strategic message to the world that Turkey has a long-term vision for space exploration and utilization. With consistent and measured steps, the country is gradually building capabilities previously possessed by only a handful of developed nations. Going forward, this hybrid rocket technology could be further developed for suborbital, orbital, and deep space exploration missions. This capability also opens up opportunities for more equal international collaboration, with Turkey present as a technology partner, not just a consumer. The success of all subsystems during the flight test confirms the readiness of national technology to move into this operational phase, encompassing stage separation, navigation, flight control, and extreme environment management. This successful launch of the DeltaV hybrid rocket is more than just a technical test. It is a strong symbol of national determination, engineering sophistication, and a bold vision for the future. With this achievement, Turkey further affirms its steps toward a self-sufficient, sustainable, and high-tech space future. The successful launch of a DeltaV hybrid two-stage rocket marks a new chapter in Turkey's journey toward space technology independence. This achievement demonstrates that Turkey's national space ambitions have now transformed into tangible, proven capabilities. Surpassing the Kármán limit is not only a matter of altitude, but also symbolizes Turkey's entry into the group of nations capable of independently developing space-class rocket systems. This achievement also paves the way for the realization of the national space program's major targets, including autonomous satellite launches, the construction of a spaceport, and lunar exploration missions. More than just a technical test, this rocket launch symbolizes Turkey's national resolve and long-term vision for mastering future strategic technologies. With an increasingly solid technological foundation, Turkey is now firmly moving toward a space future that is independent, competitive, and oriented toward sustainable innovation.